Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is our Jake's Farmyard large hopper chicken feeder. That's how you're going to receive. So once you receive it, you just need to remove the strap. You can peel it off or cut it. If you remove the lid, inside are going to be the parts you require. You're going to need a basic Phillips screwdriver, and you need to open these parts. So 2 feed scoops and 2 roof flaps. So step 1 is we're going to install those. So you need to turn it upside down. You can see these hook parts simply hook through, and then you're going to put screws into the bottom. Very easy to do. And that's the feed chute affixed. And flip it over. Now we're going to screw the roof flap on through the holes. You want to do the same for the other side, and then it's complete. The unique design allows the feed to roll to the feed chutes on the outside, and we have the little roofs to stop the feed getting from wet. And I'll fix the one on both sides. So all there is to do now is fill it up with feed and put the lid on. Hopefully this gives you many years of joy for you and your chickens, and we hope that you see our full range of chicken feeders. You can see that on indooroutdoors.co.uk. Thank you very much.